Tesla has posted a new job listing to help bring Tesla's semi-truck to Europe and other eligible countries. Tesla is looking to have a test engineer for their Tesla semi-truck program, such as car crusher, replica building, battery charger, and power cycler and continuous video record. In this job, you also need to communicate with remote team to schedule trip, receive and prepare test sample, conduct tests jointly, and perform post-test inspections. And right now, this job is out from California, where the company builds all 4 of its signature Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and Model X car. If you want to apply for this job as a senior test engineer for Abuse Test and Engineering, you need to visit Tesla official website. Currently, annual salary of senior test engineer in Abuse Test and Engineering department is nearly $80K to $300K.